guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 3, B is 7 and C is 9 and D is 100. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve any arithmetic expression. So here we will talk about the 2 rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part first after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence. So what you will do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out which operation is coming. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve bracket. So here we have bracket 1, 8 divided by 2, which is equals to 4. Multiply by 3 plus 2 and power 2, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 8 divided by, now move forward to solve the bracket number 2. So here we will solve this bracket 4 multiply by and 5, but we have outside the power which is 2. So we will write this power as it is. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now move forward. We have solved all brackets and also so now we will move forward to step number 2, which is exponent part. So here we have one exponent part which is this one, 5 raised to power 2. So 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 25. And we will give the reference 5 raised to power 2 equals to 25. So in the end, we will multiply 2 terms, which is 4 multiplied by 25, which is equals to 100. So the answer of the given expression is 100. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.